Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another video on how you can add Instagram link to your TikTok profile. I'm going to be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, make sure to update your TikTok application to the latest version and also make sure to check your internet connection. So without any further delay, let us get started. So open up your TikTok application. After you open up your TikTok application, this is what the interface is going to look like. So then you'll have to tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you're in this page, tap on edit profile, which is right on top. After you tap on edit profile on the other interface, what you have to do is you can see right at the bottom there is an option as social, and under it there is Instagram. So you need to tap on add Instagram right in the corner. So right over here you'll have to log in into your Instagram account. Once you're logged in, tap on save info. So right over here there's a confirmation, so then tap on allow. So after you do that, you'll be able to add your Instagram link to your TikTok application. So that is how you can add Instagram link on your TikTok profile. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.